The world has been witnessing a fresh round of violence between the Israel Defense Forces and the armed Palestinian group Hamas, along with Islamic Jihad groups. The current violence, which started on May 10th, has now turned into an armed conflict between one of the most technologically advanced armies in the world on one side and one armed group operating from the world's other densely populated and poorest places on the other side. The conflict erupted after weeks of rising Israeli-Palestinian tension in East Jerusalem, which culminated in clashes at a holy site revered by Muslims and Jews. The report suggests that Palestinians were angry over police restrictions on Ramadan gatherings near the Temple Mount area, which also houses Al-Aqsa Mosque, considered to be third holiest site by the Muslims and a highly valued symbol of the Palestinian struggle for independence. There is also anger among the Arabs over the proposed eviction of several Palestinian families in East Jerusalem neighborhood of Sheikh Jarrah in order to make homes for Jewish settlers there. At the beginning of Ramadan, the Israel police reportedly put up barriers preventing people from sitting in the Damascus Gate Plaza, which is usually thronged by the people during the holy month. The Palestinians saw this as a humiliation for themselves, and this led to clashes between them and the Israeli police. On the occasion of the last Friday of Ramadan, at least 70,000 worshippers gathered at Al-Aqsa Mosque, and as the tension grew, protests began and at least 205 Palestinian and 17 Israeli police officers were injured. The eviction of the Arab families from Sheikh Jarrah has irked the rest of the Arabs as well as the section of Jews who deem it unnecessary. But clearly, the deadly exchange between Palestinian militants and Israeli military has escalated significantly, with the UN fearing a full-scale war. US Secretary General Antonio Guterres said he was gravely concerned by the ongoing violence. The visual showed the night sky lighting up as rockets were intercepted by the Iron Dome system as they plunged towards Israeli cities. Some of those unable to make it to underground shelters to cover under bridge in the Israeli cities of Tel Aviv, Ashdod, Ashkelon and Sderot. The scenes were no different in Gaza. The death toll in Gaza rose to 48 Palestinians, including 14 children and 3 women. The Israeli strike has also led more than 300 people being wounded, including 86 children and 39 women. As many as 6 deaths have been reported from Israel as well, which includes 30-year-old Soumya Santosh from India. It is the heaviest fighting between bitter enemies since 2014, and it shows no signs of slowing down. On May 12th, Israel charged forward with a fierce military offensive in the Gaza Strip, killing as many as 10 senior Hamas military figures and toppling a pair of high-rise towers housing Hamas facilities in a series of airstrikes.